We thank you very much for recognizing us. The brand Asante Kotoko is very big. And we know Unilever too is an international brand. We can assure you, you are in good hands as you are with Kotoko. We help each other with promotions and everything that we need to do. And our doors are open to give you the leverage, the whatever you need from us, we will do it for you. Whilst we also reciprocate for the good work we are also doing for you.
Okay.
So, okay.
All right. So I just want to give a brief introduction of whatever we are giving you.
Okay.
Rexona is official sports sponsorship for CAF and FIFA programs. So whatever is happening in Morocco, we are the ones that we are sponsoring. And we are looking forward to also sponsor the World Cup. So we had a contract with Vinicius in Spain, and we are trying to also bring him on board. He's actually on board, that's why how come he's on it. Then currently in AFCON, we have brought a lot of people from Ghana to Morocco. And even on Sunday, I'm going there with some other people to also go and have that connection with. Then there's also a very big teaser that is going to happen with the World Cup. So World Cup 2, we are going to sponsor. So the thing that I was asking myself is, if I am a Ghanaian and I have a team in Ghana and we are sponsoring team FIFA competitions and we are not sponsoring Kotoko, then what are we doing? So all that I want to tell the players here is that we have the leverage to sponsor, but we want you to be at the top level. Once you give us that leverage, sponsorship is going to be just a thing of the past for Kumasi Asante Kotoko from you. Yes. And also, one critical thing is that these products are not being sold directly by Unilever. We have a key distributor, that is Daddy Ash, that is bringing this product on board. That is how come we have Daddy Ash here. So if you are in town and you see Daddy Ash store and want to go purchase the product, it's very authentic. You can get it there. So because this product is actually associated with sweat and sporting activities, once you sweat a lot and you use it, you are protected 72 hours. That is 3 days. So all the players here, you're going to be sampled, and you will see the benefits of this. And by the time you have this product on, remember that the goal is what? A goal. So that the team wins and you make Ghana proud, you make Asante proud as well. Basically, that's what I want to say.
Is that the Ash going to give us some rebates for
buying for the players?
Buying for the players.
That shouldn't be a problem at all.
That will be free for the players, but for supporters, some rebates with the family.
Yes, we can always have that.
We will work that one out.
Absolutely.
Look at the numbers.
Yeah.
That's enough for you.
Oh, I answer to bro.
Yeah, everything good. Yeah. Okay, then I'm very sorry.
Yeah, we training.
Yeah, man. Okay.
Good.
I'll be correct. Yeah, sponsor FIFA programs and the CAF programs. Into say, more Ghana ha. Yen Kotimo and sponsor a different team I know. Into Monyo ho, na Mumba Africa. I can assure you say the sponsorship Beba Kotoko. As I'm in the tintin, Madam Asibri. Yes, Nana. Yes.
Goal is a goal.
Yes.
The goal is a goal. I like
Yes.
that.
Go is a go.
Yeah.
When you are holding it.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
All right.
But your coach is here, Nyamudiao.
Yeah. Yeah.
Reason